This beautiful city has this beautiful river that runs down through it. You can see it there. Awesome architecture, this lounge right here, see that? We're gonna eat under there tonight.
Now we are here in Oregon, about to ride the Hellgate boat. It's a really fast boat. Yeah, so we're excited. It's really early. I look really tired. Hi, Dad. They were waiting.
Why did you say hi, Dad, to the camera?
And yeah, we're excited. That's the boat that we're taking. It's gonna go along the river. I think the ride is how long, Dad? Like an hour
We're going like
and a half.
18 miles. Gonna stop and have lunch at the lounge. And then after lunch, we come back to the same spot.
Cool. We are finally boarding after waiting in line for a long time. I don't know how long this is gonna be, but loading dock A. We will see you after the ride. Just finished the boat ride and we are on our way to the House of Mystery. But first, we stopped at Dutch Bros and I got an iced peppermint mocha. Colton got a strawberry banana smoothie, and then my parents got hot coffees. Yeah, but we were talking to the worker and he gave all of us ours for free. That was so nice. All of us. Wow. Go to Dutch Bros if you ever are near one. He was so amazing, and he told us this is the very first one that they've ever had, and it started in like, what was it, 1992 in the parking lot right there on like a cart, but we all got them for free.
Yep. And tell them what they have there.
What they have, everything there.
Coffee,
smoothies, refreshers. I think they literally have everything. So except alcohol. Go to Dutch Bros for sure. And we made it to the House of Mystery. Apparently it's like a vortex. I'm not even sure what it is. And there's a house that's leaning. I'll show it if I can. But I heard that there's no filming here. So
what?
That's what Mom said, no?
I saw videos. That's for everyone else. I saw videos. For everyone else. I saw videos.
Except remember, she is the one in the level platform. Take a look at everybody else. I know. I mean, yeah, they're way off. Way off. Pretty easy. Okay, now rotate around. Keep your head straight. Okay. There you go. Now look for your toes. Yeah. And she's looking a lot taller than normal, right? Yeah. Okay, and if you're not sure, just kind of see where our head levels are. If you're going to see this, just kind of look. We're almost eye to eye, I think. You and I are going to trade places. Watch out for that head. Yeah, always be careful when you're trading places, okay?
Except for kids.
Did I just get you this, or did you just really shrink on me? But this one's kind of obvious, right? Because I am on an incline. Now, over here, I have a glass bottle. So,
She's totally
what's that? Wow, who is really downhill? And again, you just went uphill, got shorter. Going downhill.
That's, yeah, it looks pretty level.
Oh, wow.
She got
Go all the way
really
back.
tall.
I feel really short now.
Yeah.
Before you guys looked level, and now she looks really tall.
Yeah. I feel shorter.
And turn around, walk that way, and watch her grow.
She actually looks like she's growing.
Totally opposite what's supposed to happen.
Right?
What I want you to do is walk, just walk to the other side, slowly. Go.
I'm punching the top of your head.
Yep.
It is a full day later. We are still in Oregon, but we drove from Grants Pass up to Silver Falls. We bought some food because we're gonna go have a picnic at a waterfall.
Taking our own advice and bringing food for a picnic.
Yes, because we have not had the best meals recently. This hike is supposed to be about 2.7 miles-ish, and there's gonna be multiple waterfalls on the way. It is so pretty. The trees are not as tall as the redwoods, but they are pretty nonetheless, and they have moss growing all over them. And if you listen, you can hear like tons of birds. And what did you say earlier?
Kind of sounds like monkeys.
Yeah, the guy in front of me was like, they have monkeys here?
Well, I'm
really excited. Most of the clips that I put in from yesterday have been filmed by this professional vlogger over here. Let's get hiking.
Woo! Okay, where's that house? That house has got to be on here.
It's there. It's right. Is that it right there?
We're trying to do this one, but we can't figure out where because the person at the map that says where, like, you're here, peeled the map off. So we can't even see where we are right now. Learned about why this place is here.
It's pretty cool. 1935 to 1942, then during the Great Depression was going on, Theodore Roosevelt wanted to find people that did not have a job and needed a job, so the government wanted to help them out, and he brought them here to build all the infrastructure, all the paths, some of the buildings that you see here currently today. And so he wanted to really support our parks and recreation, and also again give them the work that was needed so badly. So this is a pretty incredible spot, and the history and story behind how I got here today.
It's really cool. We're
There's
still
a waterfall
on our way.
coming up right now. I wouldn't
Yes.
turn it off.
Oh, I see it. I actually think this might be like the first like up close waterfall that I've ever seen. So we ate our lunch, met some really nice people, talked to them. Mom's like running away, and we made it to the top of the waterfall. It's so gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. We're enjoying the view.
So we're on top, but now we're gonna head to the bottom and show you the view from the bottom.
We are going down to that trail right there, and actually goes under the waterfall. So that's exciting. This thing is so tall. You really cannot tell from this angle. feel the mist from here.
Yeah?
Here we are behind the waterfall.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Really cool. Really cool. Just gorgeous. Not even getting wet. Beautiful. Yeah. This trip has been some of the most beautiful things I've seen in nature ever in my 32 years of life.
32.
Yes.
Same. 100% same. Every single day, I feel like we've been saying this is the most beautiful thing we've ever seen all over again. Every single day. Woo! We're exploring the caves around here. And this one cave goes up as far as you can see.
Oh, look right here.
I'm just gonna go. My flashlight is on.
Yeah.
I cannot even see.
Cool.
I think water just starts pouring out from up there.
Alright, several hours later and we made it to
Multnomah Falls.
Here it is, right there. Beautiful. We already walked on the bridge and walked like around the whole waterfall. We didn't go to the top though. Yeah, we're all just chilling. We're sitting on a bench right now, and so far it's been a fun day. Has consisted of a lot of driving though.
Other way, Brooke. You got that one?
I got this one. I can't reach
Oh, Colton, you got that one? Hurry up.
Is it? So we just finished dinner. We're actually here in Washington State in Stevenson, and we found this dock. There's so many bugs here.
Columbia.
We're gonna walk on the port and on the dock. My goodness, and look at the view. Washington State.
Oh, no, what?
We're at the tea gardens right now. We're taking a break on this bench, but look how beautiful everything is. Looks more like a modern tea garden than anything, in my opinion. Don't think this one is any bigger than the other one, but you know, we're just out here enjoying Portland, so. Stop and smell the roses.
I like those.
Did you hear that yesterday, Dad?
What?
Yeah, they used to take a picture.
You just drove their car for them?
Yeah, it was super tiny in there.
This was a network under the city. It was made up of things like the basements of the buildings.
We're here at the old spaghetti factory in Portland. We just finished the Shanghai tunnel tour, but I couldn't record any of it. But it was fun.
Cool, but it's super dark.
This amazing place that
Spaghetti Warehouse. You see the thing over there?
the spaghetti warehouse.
It's like Spaghetti Warehouse.